Okay, so today we're going to do an intro tutorial on an intro because this comment right here said that they don't know how to do it. So we are going to tell them how to do it. So we're going to need these two apps, Pinterest and CapCut. Now we're going to hop on Pinterest and see some pictures we got. We got this. I really like this. So what you need is to screenshot it. I'm not going to screenshot it because I already did it. So I'm just going to wait for you to screenshot it. And then, well, you have to type up wallpaper and then pick on the picture you like and then press screenshot. So now you're going to hop on CapCut. Now, I already did this in another video, but I just found out that I wasn't voicing. So we're just going to go to thing and then we're going to go here. Okay, so now you're going to want to put your picture in. Go to where is it? It's somewhere in it. Crop, and then press on 16:9. Now, if you're doing an Insta or TikTok, you're gonna want to put 9:6. All right, now you're gonna want to pick your own song. So you're gonna go to. And also, the best thing is to put it at 15 minutes. So, go to sounds. My favorite song is Aesthetic. So, I put that in there. Yeah. This is a beat. Yeah. Not trying to embarrass myself. Nope. Not rapping. Nope. Anyways, comment below if you want me to go rap. Because, yeah. So, now second, we're going to go to stickers. And you're going to pick your favorite sticker. I already did stickers, but I'm going to put this record thingy. And you don't have to put it in if you don't want to. So you see for that little cat thingy, there's like lots of cat thingies here. Like, look at this. There's a boba tea. Gnarly. Okay, anyways. Then we're going to put white in, and you see that box? That's what I use for that. So then you're going to want to put the box in, and then if you're doing a TikTok, Insta, or YouTube, for YouTube, you're going to want to put subscribe for whatever, for the other stuff, I don't know. So I put a subscribe thingy. You have to make this all long, all through the video. All right. Now you're going to want to go to effects, video effects, and then you're going to type up, no. You're going to play Patenium. You're going to pick the first one right here. I'm going to circle it. That's the one you're going to press. And then you're going to play, and it's going to do that thing when it does that. And then you're going to press, and then you're going to slit right here, and you're going to press this. Go to video effects and then type up zoom lens. And you're going to pick the first one that you see that says zoom lens. Nothing else here. You can use it if you want to. It's your choice, your video. And then there you go. And now the last thing you have to do is just add some text. So let's just add some text. All right, so the first text is... let's use something very nice and cute. Alright, maybe we could use this. But it's so white, bro. I need something pink or something. Maybe this. Let's just make it smaller. Alright, there you go. So in this part, I'm going to put town. Okay, it's kind of getting out of it, so let's just make this a little bigger. This is clocking. Now for the next area, we're gonna put on art. We still love our bestie art. We're still gonna use you. Don't worry. And for you is comment of the day. And I'm gonna put a picture of a comment. And then right here, we're gonna get art again. And then we're gonna put oops, wrong one. Alright, so maybe I should add an effect to this. I don't think you can. Yeah, never mind. Alright, so now you're gonna have this. Comment of the day. I'm gonna have to Happy Valentine's Day. And then right here. Alright, so this is what you should have. Alright, now we have finished the intro. So now we're just gonna export it. And there you go, you got your video.